Welcome back to another episode of Natural Stones. If you've never been here before, my name is Ben, and on this channel we make stuff out of rocks, and it's awesome. A lot of woodworking out there, but there's not a lot of stoneworking out there, and that's our mission, is to bring some rock stoneworking to the internet. So today we're making business card holders out of rocks. So let's go find the perfect rock and get to it. Here it is. It's got a lot of really big crystals in it. I see here we just have a bunch of plagioclase and orthoclase feldspars and even some pyroxene. Pretty cool. I hope it turns into something nice, a nice business card holder. So let's put this on the saw and shape it up.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it. Hate means I do something right, so I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him, yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head, yeah, I'ma let him.
In fact, last weekend, Rebecca and I finally went to one of these shows. We didn't really sell a ton of stuff, but what we did do is give away a ton of business cards. These business cards. It's got all our stuff on it. People were picking them up, but they were having troubles because they're blown away. You know, you had to sift through the stack. People were like, oh, you know, the best marketing tool is to make the card holder for the card to sit in.
Montage.
Early bird, go get the worm in the dirt. I can show you what I'm worth. My hands in the dirt. From where they look when you not. A hand in your purse. Hell, if you think I'm last, last should be first. Women with sharks in the tank. Aquaman with how I think. How many could step on the stage and say they taking their art to the bank? You pulling rank, boy, I'm sharp as a shank. Making you step to the plank. The Capitan, come get me if you can. I'ma get you if you can. This ain't a prank. I have you waving the flag. Cause say I'm all in my bag. Getting my bags. Never see me getting bagged. By the police sitting in the back. Only if it's with a drink. I tell these shorties relax. It's the return of the Mac. You the return of the slack. I let it burn with the facts. Opposites they do attract. I don't go mess with the ops. I just be calling the shots. Like I was holding the chop. Then I go hit up the block. Cop me a cheese and chop. Go get me some top. Release for aftershock. Then I return to the plot. Jacking the gold at the pot. Gotta get it while it's hot.
That's what the love of money does.
Boom. Here is the holder to present our business in. Pretty simple design. You just put the card or multiple cards right there. If you like this video and you want to see more things made out of rocks, hit subscribe. There's plenty more where this came from. We make stuff out of rocks. See you in the next one. Natural Stones.